Hey there, it's Kat, and I'm going to show you how to make a really cute Valentine. I'm doing these for my son. So the first thing is you want to select a font, and you can choose your fonts over in this corner. I chose one that would work well as writing, and you want to make sure that when you have it set to a writing font. This way, when you use a pen, it will actually write it and won't leave like space because it's just outlined. So you will check to make sure both are done, all your lettering is done that way. Then you'll want to, if you want to center it onto your base, you can select, as you can see, the greens on the right-hand side of the screen, and then come up to the align and choose the center. So that I did that for all the writing so that it's centered onto the square rectangle. Now I'm just highlighting all of those, and in order to get it to write on that rectangle, you need to attach the words. So you come down here to this little button. And then all you're going to do is now it's time to make it. So I'm going to come up here to the green button in the corner. I'm going to hit make. And you'll know it's done right because the words are on top of the rectangle. If they were not attached, the words would be on a different mat, probably like a black mat and then kind of, you've got the heart on the red. But this way we know it's attached. Now I'm going to see how many I can get on to a sheet of 12 by 12 paper. I do have to make 24 of these. So I'm going to see, sometimes it looks like I can do more than 9. So I think I'll go up to 12. And this way I can just cut each twice. So once I've got them on to the mat like that and making the most efficient use of my space, I'm going to go ahead and hit the green button, and this is going to then prompt my machine to pick the type of paper, and so I usually use this medium cardstock, 80 pound, I think it says, or 60, and then it's going to tell you need a pen, and you'll put that into your Cricut. So now I've got all of them cut. I'm now using the back of one of the little tags I made, and I'm stamping a to and from. So that way my son can write to and from on the back side and got the writing on the front. I'm going to attach the cut heart into the center of the little rectangle, and this rectangle is about is 2 by 3, so about the normal size of a Valentine. I'm going to attach the heart onto my base, and I'm going to add one of these little squishies, moochies as he calls them. I ordered them from Amazon. I got 24 of them, and I'm going to use a more permanent glue dot to attach it. And so I'm putting the glue dot on, pushing down the moochie. He can write the to and from on the back, and it is the Valentine for him. Looks like one glue dot's not going to do it, so I'm going to add a second one, and that should hold it. It's not meant to be permanent, and they may not be last forever, but at least we'll get it to the kid and into their Valentine's box. There we go. Thanks for watching.